Hello students, today we will see page 89 and page 89 is related to chapter 16 simple future tense. So let us see what is given in page 89. Going to form. Students, here we will learn how to use the word going to in the sentences. So let us see what is given here. Read the following sentences. I will call you tomorrow. I am going to call you tomorrow. Students, यहाँ आप लोग देख रहे होंगे दोनों वाक्यों में अलग अलग शब्द लिखे गए हैं, लेकिन दोनों का मतलब एक ही निकलता है. चाहे हम बोले I will call you tomorrow, चाहे हम कह सकते हैं I am going to call you tomorrow. दोनों का मीनिंग एक ही है, यानी इसका मीनिंग इन दोनों का मीनिंग यानी इन दोनों वाक्यों का मीनिंग है कि मैं तुम्हें कल कॉल करूँगा. सो लेट अस सी व्हाट इज गिवन इन द बॉक्स. Both these sentences are similar in meaning and expresses the action that has to happen in future. Here what we saw in the sentences, both the sentences are similar in meaning, means same in meaning and expresses the action that has to happen in future. Next, often the simple future tense is replaced by the going to form of the verb. Students, we have heard some of the people use the sentence, means simple future tense sentence. They used to, or we used to replace by the going to form of the verb. And sometimes some of the people feel easy by using the word going to instead of using the words of simple future tense. So let us see here the structure of the sentence with going to form, means how to make the sentences with going to. So here formula is given: subject plus is or am or are plus going to form of the verb. So students, here we have already seen this first line. We see it is in simple future tense, and then second line is replaced into going to form. Here, according to this formula, here we can see subject here I, then because I is first person singular, and we have learned with the pronoun I we have to use am. So here we have used, instead of in this place am, we did not use is or are because it can't be fit with the pronoun I. Then we have written going to here, going to. Then the objective call you tomorrow. So it is simple future tense sentence is replaced into going to form. So students, here what I explained to you, I think you understood. So now we will see exercise. Let's do it. Exercise 3. Fill in the blanks with is or am or are plus going to form. A. Rohin is going to perform on the stage for the last time today. Here we have used is because Rohin comes in singular. Next, B. The officer is going to ask Vidhima a few questions. Here also we have written helping verb is because the officer, it is, we are speaking of one officer, means it comes in singular. Next, C. Mummy is going to be angry with me if I reach home late. Here also we are speaking of one mummy, means it comes in singular, so we have used here is helping verb. Next, D. The sky is clear. Today is going to be a hot day. Students, here also we have used is because today we are speaking of today, only one day. So therefore we have used here is. Next, E. We have fastened our seat belts as the plane is going to take off. Students, here also we have filled is because here we are speaking of the plane, means we are in only one plane, so it comes in singular, so therefore we have written here is. Next, F. Anya is going to sing a song for the class assembly. Here Anya comes in singular, in speaking of one person, therefore we have written here is. Next, G. I am going to fill the form for the GMAT examination. Students, here we have written am. We have learned that with the pronoun I, we have to use am. So here we have filled am. Next, H. Riva and Niva are going to Jodhpur for a fun trip. Here we see we have written are because we are speaking of two person, Riva and Niva. Means it comes in plural. So therefore we have written are. Student, here we have completed filling the blanks, and I think you must be thinking, why have we written here in present tense? Means you would think that it is in present tense, and telling you will be thinking that Miss is telling in this words expresses of the action that has to happen in future. Students, we learned already, means simple future tense, means the sentences which are in simple future tense we can replace, or it is replaced by the going to form of the verb. So here we have replaced, and this sentences expresses the meaning and action that has to happen in future. So I think you understood how we have done the exercise, and this exercise is used for simple future tense. You can use it, and you can make by yourself also other sentences. So students, for today it is enough. I end the class here. Thank you.